What is up, my dudes? I thought I'd share something that I've been working on here at the school in hopes that you guys would partake in this program with me. So what I've been doing is making a Better Me challenge for the friend group. The whole point of this is to try and better yourself in different metrics that we can, compare against each other for a friendly competition. So if you're interested, definitely stick through this video. It'll only be a couple minutes long, and I'll show you guys what I've made. So as you can see here, there's some different metrics. So body composition, heart rate, mile time, if you choose, some strength exercises. So for example, if Alex is to say is 20% body fat, and we can come down to Alex's tab here. And he remeasures again at week 4, and it's now 15. You'll see that Alex got points for that here. It's right here. And you come back to the inputs page, you'll see that Alex is now in the lead. You can see that I made a bunch of different categories, so it wasn't just working out. It could be something like wellness. So check-ins is just how many times did you go to the gym that week, or wherever it is that you're deciding to work out. It could be that you decide to go to the park and that's where you do your workouts. I wanted to make this as easy access for the friend group as possible. You'll see that 1 week without a drink or smoking is worth some points. Meditating twice a week is worth some points. Getting 8 hours of sleep are worth points. If you meal prep, that's also worth points. And stretching, at least for 10 minutes, is worth points. So I categorize these as all wellness, and these are all worth points. So all you have to do is select the point value and how many times you did it for that week. So for week 2, if you did it twice, then you'd select twice and you'd get the points according to that. Cardio, also for your mile time, if you select the mile time in your inputs page. So let's come back to here. Let's say I initially ran 300, or Alex ran 350 seconds, which I don't even know how fast it is, but let's just assume that was how fast you ran a mile. And then on week 5, he timed it again, and instead of 350, he ran it in 320. You can see that the inputs page will automatically account for the points that Alex gained. So the whole idea is that at the end of each week, you can just come in here and go to your page and select the things that you did, and it'll automatically calculate your score. So there can be a friendly competition between all of us. In the strength on each page, just let's say, for example, Alex, or let's say Nick. Nick wants to do, for his first one, he wants to do squats, and curls, so bicep curls. You'll see when you come to his page, it automatically populates under his strength category the things that he wants to do. And Nick will, in theory, have figured out his maxes at the beginning, and he will have put them in here. So that way we could calculate how many points he's gained from adding weight to that. You'll also see that down here there's bonus points. So this is, again, it's a wellness thing, right? So you get 5 bonus points for every book that you read. And we'll calculate this at the end. I set the program for 12 weeks because I figured that'd be a pretty good amount of time to try and implement all these different changes. I know that kind of leads into some of our birthdays, and obviously, the drinking and the smoking are going to be a little harder when it's your birthday. So that's why I made so many other categories, so that you're not going to be dinged for celebrating the way that you want to celebrate. I also made a contest thought, so a little questionnaire. So I'm going to send this to you guys as well. This is just asking if you're down to do it, and if you think the prize is worth what it should be. And since we're bringing a prize now, I figured there would be a 2-category thing. So for first place, the winner gets something good, right? And for last place, the person who scores the lowest gets punished in some way. So I haven't thought about what these 2 things could be. It could be that the winner, everyone buys the winner, I don't know, something cool, like a really nice dinner somewhere, or the loser has to go to a Trump rally, something crazy. And again, this is just, positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement to try and get these changes going. The whole point of this is to have a good time. So let me know if you guys are interested in this, and we'll go from there. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.